In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create website like Jane app in Wix 2025 step by step. We'll go from setting up your Wix account all the way to publishing and testing your site with a strong focus on creating a professional appointment-based website. First, head over to wix.com and create your account. You can sign up using your email or a connected account option if that's available. If Wix asks you to verify your email, go ahead and complete that first so your account is fully ready to use. Once you're inside your dashboard, click to create a new site. Wix will ask what kind of website you want to build, so choose a category that fits your business. Good options include health and wellness, medical, spa and beauty, or coaching. After that, decide whether you want Wix AI to build your site for you, or if you'd rather start with a pre-designed template. If you choose a template, look for one made for appointment-based businesses. A strong template should already include a home page, services page, about page, and contact page. It's also helpful if it supports appointment booking and testimonials, since those features are important for building trust and making it easy for visitors to take action. Next, customize the website so it matches your brand. Add your logo, update the colors and fonts, and replace default images with your own. You'll also want to include your business information, practitioner bios, and clear service descriptions so visitors understand exactly what you offer. To handle scheduling, open the app market, search for Wix bookings, and add it to your site. Then configure your services, appointment duration, staff members, business hours, buffer times, and booking policies. This is one of the most important parts of the setup, so take your time and make sure everything reflects how your business actually operates. After that, set up practitioner profiles. Create a page for each practitioner and include a photo, biography, qualifications, services offered, available schedule, and a booking button. This makes the experience feel more personal and helps clients choose the right provider. Next, go to settings and set up online payments by choosing accept payments and connecting your preferred payment provider. Then enable online payments for appointments so clients can pay during booking. You can also add client forms using Wix Forms to collect contact information, medical history, consultation requests, intake questionnaires, and consent forms. Then add the Members Area app so clients can sign in securely, view upcoming appointments, manage bookings, and update their profile information. Before publishing, switch to the mobile editor and adjust layouts, resize images, test booking buttons, and make sure forms are easy to complete on a phone. Then connect your domain in the domain settings, either by purchasing a new one or connecting an existing one and publish the site. Finally, test everything. Book a test appointment, submit a contact form, complete a payment, and check the experience on desktop, tablet, and mobile. Also confirm that confirmation emails are being sent correctly. Once all of that works smoothly, your website is ready to go live.